In our previous video, we have organized our silk screen. Now it's time to create the artwork or Gerber files to send for manufacturing. To create artwork, go to Manufacture, select Artwork. By default, it has created artwork folder for all the layers. This is bottom layer, this is layer 2, layer 3 and top layer. You can see what is inside this. So inside the bottom layer artwork folder we have S bottom, pin bottom, VIA class bottom. Same for the layer 2, layer 3. We don't have to do anything in these folders. We have to add some more folders for silk screen top, solder mask and outline. To do that, right click on any of these folder, select add manual, type solder mask top, select OK. Here in this window we have to select the solder mask from board geometry, solder mask top, we have to select from package geometry solder mask top, we have to select from pin solder mask top, we have to select solder mask top from VIA class, and that's all. Click OK. A new folder has been added and we have 4 subcategories under that folder. We have to do the same for solder mask bottom. Select add manual, type solder mask bottom, click OK. Select solder mask bottom from board geometry, solder mask bottom, go to package geometry, select solder mask bottom, go to pin, select solder mask bottom, go to VIA class, select solder mask bottom, select OK. We need to add silk screen top. Go to board geometry, select silk screen top, go to package geometry, select silk screen top, reference designator silk screen top, and that's all. Select OK. In our design we don't have anything at the bottom layer, so we don't need a bottom silk screen. You can add this folder for bottom silk screen in the same way as we did for silk screen top. I'm going to add another folder for outline. Select OK. Select board geometry, outline, select OK. Okay, We have created all the necessary folders. On the right, you can set up some values. You can set up rotation angle. You can set up offset, undefined line width. We don't need to change anything here except this undefined line width. We need to make it something greater than 0. Otherwise, you might get some error. I'm going to select each of this folder and I will make this bottom layer undefined line width as 2 mils, layer 2 2 mils, layer 3 2 mils, top layer 2 mils, solder mask top 2, solder mask bottom 2, silky screen top. I'm going to make it 5, or silky screen 2. Okay, and I'm going to make this outline 5 as well. Okay. Now select apertures. Here select edit, select auto without rotation, click OK. Click OK. Go to general parameters. Make sure you have this configuration in your general parameters. Select Gerber RS274X. Output unit select inches. Integer places here 2, decimal places 5. Select these values. Suppress here leading zeros and equal coordinates. Select these 2 checkboxes. Okay. Now select all the folders and press create artwork button. So it will create the artwork. You might get some warnings. Here it says that top created with warnings, so it doesn't matter. We have some warnings, but the artwork has been created. Close this window. Select OK. Now we have to create the drill file. To do that, go to manufacture, go to NC, select NC drill, select NC parameters, select this option. Make sure the format is 2 and 5 here and the offsets are 0. Here select leading zero suppression and enhanced excellent format. Make sure that you select exactly this configuration while creating the artwork. Close this window. Here select Auto Tool Select. Uncheck this checkbox. Select this one, Optimize Drill Head Travel. In this checkbox, Scale Factor Type 1 and press Drill. So it is generating a drill file named example.drl. Close this window. Now if you want to see what are the diameters of the drill holes, you can see those from manufacture, MC, drill legend. If you click OK, you can put a table that says the drill size here, we have 28 mils drill size 6 holes, 36 mils sized 19 holes, and 125 mils non-plated 4 drill holes. Now let's go to the folder where the files has been created. The artworks has been created in this Allegro folder. To upload the files to the manufacturer's website, you have to create a zip file. Let's select the artwork files. I'm selecting bottom.art, selecting this drill file. Basically, you have to select all the .art files and .drill files. There is only one .drill file. And make a zip file. Make sure you create the zip file. Click OK. Let's go to the website of 4pcb.com. Here select free PCB file check. Select upload files. Here write your email. Choose file. Select the zip file you have created. Click upload zip file. Here you have to select the file type of each of these files. Bottom art is bottom copper. This is drill file. It has automatically detected the drill file. Layer 2 is inner copper. Here polarity, in polarity box select positive. Layer 2. This is also inner copper. Select polarity positive. Select layer 3. Outline for select here drawing / other. This is silk screen top. Solder mask bottom. Bottom solder mask. This is solder mask top. Top solder mask. This is top copper. Okay. I have selected all of these file types. Here you have to give a name. You have to type the revision number. Select layer count. We have 4 layers. You have to put the dimension. I don't remember the dimension. Let's go back to our PCB file to find the dimension. You can add dimensions from manufacturer, dimension environment. Right click and select linear dimension. Select 1 point and other. Here you can see the length of this PCB is 1.30 inches. Same way, this dimension is 1.2 inches. Our X dimension is 1.2 and Y dimension is 1.3. X dimension is 1.2, Y dimension is 1.3. Here you can select finish thickness. For now I'm not going to change this. If you want thicker PCB, you can select something else. We don't want any gold fingers. Solder mask both sides. Silky screen is only at top side. This is copper weight. You can select 1 ounce or 2 ounce. This is copper weight for inner layers. I'm going to select 1 ounce for these inner copper layers as well. We don't have any blind or buried VS. We invent nothing. In this ITAR box, select no and click submit. So it says that our files have been uploaded successfully for file check. They will send the results to your email when they are done checking the files. Okay, I have received the results from 4PCB. To view the results, go to this link. Here it says that we don't have any errors that can stop the manufacturing process. It also says that it has already rectified some violations. We don't have to worry about this. If you don't have any errors in this section, you can order your PCB for manufacturing. They have also sent some plots of our PCB. You can view the plots of your PCB from this link. Here you can see how the silky screen will look. So our silky screen will look like this. If you go back and if you click solder mask top, you will see how the solder mask top will look like. Go back and you can see the top layer etching. Top layer etching will look like this. Layer 2 will look like this. Here you can see that layer 2 is only connected to this pin, these pins, not with these pins. You can see layer 3 is connected only with these pins. And you can see here the bottom layer that is connected to this pin, and this pin. You can also view solder mask bottom, that is like this, and you can see your drill files as well. Thank you for watching this video. I will post some more videos on how to create a schematic model and how to create a footprint for that model. Thank you.